everyone, it's Tammy, and today we are going to be making some super sloppy joes, and it's called super because it's S-O-U-P-E-R, because you use a can of tomato soup. This I actually got from the Campbell's soup recipe book that I have, and it is really easy and really good. My kids really like this, and we're actually going to be making them into pizza burgers, and I will tell you what that means. It's really something fun. It's not really fancy at all, but this is some ground chicken that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to let my pan get a little warmer, and then I'm going to add my ground chicken, and then the only other things that you need are tomato soup, just 1 can of tomato soup, and you can add salt and pepper. You also need 1/4 cup of water and about a tablespoon of mustard. And we are going to put these on English muffins, and then I'll show you this, but I'm going to put them on English muffins, put some of the sloppy joe on top, and then cover it with cheese, and you bake it for, I don't know, about 10 minutes or so until the cheese melts, and it's delicious. So, let's see. It's not quite warm enough yet, so we'll just talk amongst ourselves while we're waiting. It's Saturday right now when I'm cooking this, and it is lunchtime. It's a little later than lunch, so this is going to be like a late lunch, early dinner, kind of an easy meal. I was thinking I might make dinner too, but I'm not sure. It depends on how many of, well, if Alex is going to be home. If he's going to be home, that will make a difference. Or if he is going to be gone, then Dennis and I can easily just find something, or we can have leftover sloppy joes. Or I might just make something anyway and then have leftover sloppy joes for tomorrow for lunch too. Choices, choices, choices. We'll see how it's going after we've cooked this. So I'm just putting my chicken in there. You can of course use ground beef if you'd prefer. And I have a little thing, you guys have seen it before, that it cuts up the meat really well. I don't know why I didn't choose to use that this time. I just got out this, so I'll just use this. So we're going to brown this, and then I'll add the other ingredients. So while I'm doing that, or while this is browning, I'm going to, hopefully you guys can see this all right. I'm going to go ahead and put some of my English muffins on here. Hey honey, about how many of these would you like? How many halves?
Probably about 4 or 5.
I don't know if you guys heard that. He said 4 or 5. He's never going to be able to eat 4 or 5 of them, but I'll just let him go with that. So if I fixed 4 for him and 4 for Alex, and I don't even think I'm going to eat any, but you know what? I think I'm going to just go ahead and put all of them out, since it, you know, whatever. If there's leftovers, we are good with leftovers. And you could serve this with some green beans, or you could serve it with chips, whatever. I think I'm going to make some green beans just because I like them, and I don't think I'm going to put mine in the oven. I'll just have mine straight out of this with no bread. So I don't know, maybe I won't have enough to put on every one of these. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to get a Ziploc bag just in case I have leftovers to put in the bag, and then I'm also going to get some cheese out. So I will be back. I'll put you guys on fast forward while this is browning. I must have not hit record, but I turned the oven on. You guys probably saw that. And then I just dipped a little bit of each one of those onto an English muffin. Hopefully you guys saw me add the tomatoes and stuff. I'm not even sure how long it wasn't recording, but all I did was add the tomato soup. I added I used 21 Salute seasoning from Trader Joe's. It's just kind of a nice blend of seasoning. And if you have like a slice of American cheese, you can just put that on there, but I don't have any. I'm just using some cheddar cheese that we have in the fridge. No muss, no fuss. And the oven is preheated in perfect time. This is not straight. Weird. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven for about 10 minutes or so until the cheese melts. And I put my green beans in the microwave. So they are now done. I just added some salt and pepper to those. And I'll probably I'm going to add a little Parmesan, I think. And I did have 2 extra English muffins. So I will put those in a zippy to save for another day. And there is our green beans all ready. I may put some 21 Salute on them too. I don't know if you guys saw this, but this is just from Trader Joe's. And it's really good. I suppose there's 21 seasonings in it. I don't even really know. And that is that. So my lunch is ready. I have my this is what I will eat. Yummy, yummy. And I'll be back when it's ready. Okay, I think that these are probably done. Oh yeah. Those look yummy. Oh. I was going to have them use paper plates, but I guess we are out. I won't complain that nobody told me. When they take the last paper plates, you need to tell somebody. My husband said 4 or 5, but I don't think he's going to eat that many. I'll start him off with 3, I think. And I'll give him a little bit of green beans. I'll give my son some green beans. And there we go. That, my friends, is lunch. Thanks, guys. Hope you try it. Bye-bye.